SabioTrade is a proprietary trading firm offering talented traders the opportunity to access funds, trade, and retain up to 90% of the profits they generate after they go through a quick one-step assessment process. This review offers a closer look at SabioTrade's features and benefits. Headquartered in Ireland, SabioTrade is fast becoming a reputable player in the field of proprietary trading. It offers a user-friendly and comprehensive trading environment, featuring an advanced trading room with over 250 assets, more than 100 built-in indicators and instruments, and exclusive educational materials. SabioTrade features: Number 1, affordable pricing. Number 2, easy assessment process. Number 3, unique prop trading ecosystem. Number 4, instant payouts. Number 5, achievable profit targets. Number 6, industry-leading leverage. Number 7, free education and Discord trading community access. Number 8, 7-day trial account. Number 9, extensive technical indicators. Sabioverse consists of a smart control panel, Sabio dashboard, with an inbuilt, custom-made trading platform. To access the platform, you should log into the dashboard first and then enter the trading room using your SabioTrade room credentials from the left side panel. The SabioTrade room excels in several key aspects. Tailored platform. SabioTrade room integrates extensive trading capabilities and is easy to navigate. It's customizable, you can change the theme, language, open up to 9 charts at a time, and make it overall tailored to your needs. 250 tradable assets in the categories of Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, and ETFs. Versatile compatibility. The platform is available for Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, and web browsers. Intuitive chart-based trading. Traders can execute all actions directly from the charts. 100+ indicators for professional technical analysis. Fundamental analysis tools, newsfeed and calendars. SabioTrade's 4 account types, namely Standard, Premium, Gold, and Platinum, vary in terms of the level of funds available and profit payouts. Check the table below for more info. SabioTrade offers customer support around the clock via email and chat. However, it does not provide phone support, which may be a drawback for some traders. SabioTrade pros and cons. Pros: quick one-step assessment process. Up to 90% profit sharing. Dashboard integrated trading platform. Multiple tariff plans, including a low $50 evaluation fee. Funded accounts with access to up to $200,000. Free educational materials and training. Easy and fast withdrawals. Instant payouts. Trading opportunities in Forex, stocks, and commodities. A 7-day free trial. Cons: limited leverage for certain assets. No cryptocurrency trading options. SabioTrade is a flexible and user-friendly proprietary trading firm suitable for traders of all levels. Its one-step assessment process adheres to industry standards, and the platform provides free educational materials, streamlined withdrawal processes, and a diverse range of assets in a dashboard-integrated trading room. SabioTrade offers traders a transparent and rewarding trading experience.